Hair loss is one of the most stressful things anyone can experience. It affects your confidence, your mood, your personality, and for many people, it feels like nothing works. You try oils, shampoos, vitamins, expensive treatments. But here's a natural method many people overlook: onion juice. Yes, the same onion sitting in your kitchen right now may help support healthier-looking hair, stronger roots, and a cleaner scalp environment. And today, I'm breaking down why onion juice is used for hair care, how it supports hair strength, the right way to apply it, how often to use it, what results people commonly report, and the mistakes to avoid. This is everything you need to know about using onion juice safely for hair-supporting routines. Let's begin. Why people use onion juice for hair? Onions contain natural compounds that have been studied for their potential support of hair and scalp health. Here are the most important ones. 1. Sulfur compounds. Onions are one of the richest sources of natural sulfur, a mineral your hair uses to stay strong. Sulfur supports healthier-looking hair strands, reduced dryness, improved texture, and a stronger scalp barrier. 2. Antioxidants. Onions contain quercetin and other antioxidants that help protect the scalp environment from oxidative stress. A healthier scalp means better conditions for hair growth. 3. Natural cleansing properties. Onion juice helps cleanse oil buildup, dead skin, clogged follicles. Cleaner follicles may support better hair appearance. 4. Nutrient support. Onions contain vitamins and compounds that may support the roots. This is why onion juice is a popular natural remedy. What causes hair loss and why onion juice may help? Before using onion juice, understand why hair loss happens. Common causes are stress, genetics, hormonal changes, lack of minerals, scalp buildup, harsh chemical shampoos, tight hairstyles, poor nutrition, and dehydration. Onion juice doesn't cure hair loss, but it may help support the scalp environment, which is extremely important. If your scalp is dirty, oily, clogged, or irritated, your hair weakens. Onion juice helps by supporting scalp cleanliness, reducing buildup, nourishing roots, and creating a better environment for hair to grow stronger. How to make onion juice properly. Here's the safest and easiest method. Ingredients: 1 to 2 medium onions, blender or grater, strainer or cloth. Steps: peel the onions, cut into small pieces, blend or grate until mushy, strain using a cloth or fine strainer. Collect the fresh juice in a bowl. Optional: add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, soothing. Add a few drops of rosemary oil, smell improving. Add coconut oil, less irritation. This mixture is gentle and easier on the scalp. How to apply onion juice the right way. Step 1. Patch test. Before applying everywhere, test it behind your ear. If it irritates your skin, dilute or avoid. Step 2. Apply directly to the scalp. Use a cotton ball, a brush, fingertips. Focus on thinning areas, bald spots, hairline, crown. Give gentle circular massage for 3 to 5 minutes. This helps support blood flow to the scalp. Step 3. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows your scalp to absorb the nutrients. If the smell bothers you, reduce the time. Step 4. Wash with a mild shampoo. Avoid harsh chemical shampoos. Use gentle, sulfate-free cleansers. Step 5. Condition the ends only. Onion juice is for the scalp, not the hair lengths. How often to use it? For best results, Use 2 to 3 times a week. Daily use is not recommended because the smell can linger, scalp may get irritated, overuse doesn't give faster results. Consistency is more important than frequency. Expected results timeline. Everyone is different, but here's a general idea. After 7 days, the scalp feels cleaner, reduced oiliness, less itchiness. After 2 to 4 weeks, hair texture improves, scalp buildup decreases, hair appears smoother. Small baby hairs may appear in some people. After 8 to 12 weeks, stronger looking hair, reduced breakage, thicker appearance for some users, fuller hairline look. A natural remedy requires patience, not miracles. Common mistakes people make. To get the best results, avoid these. Using onion juice on broken skin. It may cause irritation. Leaving it overnight. This can cause scalp dryness or bad smell. Applying too much. Dripping doesn't help. Use moderate amount. Using harsh shampoos afterwards. They weaken the hair barrier. Not moisturizing the ends. Onion juice only belongs to the scalp. Natural things that support hair growth alongside onion juice. Combine onion juice with these habits for better results. A balanced diet rich in eggs, lentils, spinach, almonds, bananas, yogurt, fish. Drink enough water. Dehydration equals weaker hair. Scalp massage 5 minutes daily. Helps circulation. Avoid tight hairstyles. Prevents hair breakage. Reduce heat styling. Blow dryers, straighteners, curling tools. Use a satin pillowcase. Prevents friction. Healthy lifestyle equals healthy looking hair. Final message. Onion juice is not magic, but it is a powerful natural ingredient that can help support scalp health, nourish the roots, and promote the appearance of stronger, healthier hair. Consistency, patience, and proper application are the keys. Your hair grows from the inside, but your scalp environment matters more than you think. Support it today, and your future hair will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people and take control of their health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.